In this video, we'll be replacing the sun visor clip on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. It'll also be the same process for the passenger side. So one of the reasons you might be replacing this clip is this clip here is actually broken and your visor is not sitting into place, or it's worn open. But if not, what you're going to need to do is pull your visor out of that clip and swing your visor away. Once you have that done, there's going to be a notch on either side that you're going to need to get in and pull down on that little tab that's inside there. So we have two tools. One is a flat blade screwdriver for one side, and one is a small hook tool for the other side. And we'll get in and we'll press those tabs down, and we'll pull down at the same time. That should release our visor clip. All right, so we have one side down. We're going to keep downward pressure on there with our flat blade screwdriver here. We're going to work the other side down. And there we go. And it should just pull straight down. And these are the tabs that we were pulling down to release these two clips from the roof. To install your new visor clip, you're just going to line up this square with this square and push straight up. Give it a little tug down, make sure it's locked in on both sides. If that looks good, go ahead and swing your visor into position, clip it in, fold it up, you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.